Hello everyone, I'm Marin from Marin Technology and welcome to the second episode of the WordPress series. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how you can install WordPress on your personal computer. At first you're going to open your preferred web browser and type LocalWP on your search engine. We are going to click on the first website here, the local WordPress, localwp.com. The link of course will be in the description. Once you open it, you can see here the first local WordPress development tool, an effortless way to develop WordPress sites locally. So we're going to see some of the features, empowering developers with advanced workflow features, stop debugging local environments and spend more time launching WordPress sites. Automatic WordPress installation, Local sets up WordPress for you. One click and your site is ready to go, SSL included. This is a really cool feature, but also advanced development features, local connection, magic sync, live links, one-click admin, no need to manage various usernames and passwords. Seamlessly log into your WordPress site with one click in Local. I'm going to be showing you later on how you can do that. A collection of pre-launch tools. Deploy your site with confidence thanks to tools like Local's Link Checker, Image Optimizer and Instant Reload features, and Cloud Backups. Of course you can see all of the features if you click in this link. Here we can see some of the comments and reviews from the local community, from their Twitter account. So discover a better way to build WordPress sites. You can create an account or download for free. You click on the download for free option. Download Local, it's free and it always will be. Currently Mac, Windows and Debian based Linux are supported for Local. I'm currently using Linux and I'm going to click on the Linux Debian based. So here you can type some of the personal information that is needed, your first and last name, email and phone number. Keep in mind that only email is necessary, so if you do not want to insert the other fields, you are free to do that. Once you write your own email address, you click get it now and it will download the local executable file. So once you download and install in Local, I'm going to open the application right here. So we have to write Local. Open it. Once you open Local, you're probably going to see something like this. Here are your local websites. You probably have 0. I have created some websites here, so for testing purposes. There are some other features, including add-ons, and this is the local support. But there are also some settings. So in the preferences, you can see you can change the theme, light or dark mode. New site default, you can change admin email, also the domain suffix, and some of the more advanced features which you probably do not want to change. Once you are in Local, you can click on the bottom left. As you can see here, it says add local site. I'm going to click on that. You can type whatever name you want, for example my WordPress website, but you can change that once you continue with the installation. You can change some of the advanced options, but it's not necessary, so I would leave it as it is. Click on continue. You can choose your environment. These are the PHP and MySQL information for WordPress. If you do not know what you're doing, do not change the environment, so click on the preferred option, continue. And here you can set up your WordPress admin account. You need a username, a password and a WordPress email. Once you fill up those required fields, you can see the advanced option. Is this WordPress multi-site? Leave it at no, as it is, and click on add site. Once you do that, Local will begin creating your website from scratch. As you can see, it automatically gets the latest WordPress installation and creates the required local variables and environment, for example the PHP and the database using MySQL. This may take a while, so just keep waiting. The installation has just been completed. It only took 1 minute, about 1 minute, and it depends on your hardware on how much this will take, but it doesn't take that long. So the WordPress website is currently up and running. You see here on the right you have two options: open the admin WordPress page or just open the site. Here you can have an overview on the site domain, SSL, web server. You do not need to change any of these. PHP version, the database that is used. MySQL is WordPress's default database. Here's the one-click admin, which I'm going to show you in just a bit. WordPress version, and is it a multi-site? We just said no. This is if you want your website to have some subdomains, which currently we do not need. Here you can click on the database. You can see some of the database information. You can open Adminer. Adminer is basically if you want to change some specific things in your in the MySQL database. As a beginner in WordPress, you do not need to change anything here, so just leave it at that. And some tools, it's the Mailhog and Live Links. The Mailhog is all the outbound emails from your local website. So currently just sent my email to Marin Technology at powermail.com. It says a new WordPress site that has been successfully set up. You can see all the emails that WordPress sends, so that's a really cool feature as well. We're going to click on the overview and we're gonna open site to see our website. This is the website that Local just set up. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing. Proudly powered by WordPress. So congratulations, you have created your very first WordPress website. So if you want to change, if you want to edit in your WordPress website and go to the admin page, you can click on the admin right here. This will redirect you to the WordPress admin section, which is your website URL /wplogin.php. This is not necessary, so even if you do not include it, you will be redirected right here. You can also do that, or in most WordPress websites, wp/admin works as well. Here you can insert your information that you wrote when you were creating your local website, or Local actually has a really cool feature. It's just the one-click admin. We'll click on and select the user we created, which is Marin Technology. So what this will do is it will automatically log us in as the admin user. So we're going to click admin. So as you can see, we have just been logged in the WordPress admin dashboard. You can see dashboard right here. Welcome to WordPress. We're currently using the 6.0 version of WordPress, which by the time of the making of this video is the latest. You can see the post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. We're going to have a very more advanced look in most of the categories, so stay tuned for the WordPress series if you're interested. So that is that. You have just created your very first WordPress website and logged in the admin dashboard. If you like the video, please feel free to drop a like. Also subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on any new content. I'd love to see you in the next video.